Namaste children, welcome to the online class. This is Krishna Chaitanya, your physics teacher. Today we are discussing about a lab activity. Aim of the activity: to understand the nature of friction and the concept of static friction. Materials required for this activity are toy trolley, small wooden block, inextensible string, weight hanger, weights, pulley. These are the materials required to conduct lab activity. Now you will observe the procedure. Take a small toy trolley, place it on the table. Take a small wooden block, place it on the toy trolley. Take an inextensible string, fix it to the trolley and pass it over the pulley as shown in the screen. Now take a weight hanger and tie it to the other end of the string. Now take a small weight and place it on the weight hanger. Observe the changes in the motion of wooden block and toy trolley. They are slowly moving by placing the weights on it. Now keep on increasing the weight of the weight hanger and observe the motion of both the wooden block and the trolley. Observations. In this, we have observed that the trolley with the wooden block on it comes to motion towards left with an acceleration while adding the weight on the weight hangers. Here, the wooden block is in motion with respect to the surface of the table, but it is in rest with respect to the surface of the trolley. We have also observed that the speed of the trolley will increase while increasing the weight on the hanger. At a certain limiting of weight, the block comes into motion in the reverse direction of motion of the trolley direction. This indicates there exists a relation between the surface of the trolley and the block. Results. We define that the force which opposes the relative motion of two surfaces of bodies in contact is called frictional force. Here, there exist two types of frictions. First one is the friction which come into play when the surface of the object at rest relative to each other is called static friction. And the next one is the friction which comes into play when the surface of one object moves relative to other surface on the other object is called sliding friction. These are two types of frictions. Thank you.